From highways to mountain trails, the right tire changes everything. Let's break down the main tire types and when you should use them, in under 2 minutes. Number 1. All-season tires. The most common tire. Good grip in dry, wet, or mild snow. Perfect for daily drivers in moderate climates. Number 2. Winter tires. Made from soft rubber that stays flexible below 45 degrees Fahrenheit. They bite into snow and ice for control and shorter stops. Number 3. Summer tires. Sticky rubber, minimal tread, amazing grip in warm, dry, or wet conditions. But in cold weather, they turn hard and slippery. Number 4. Touring and performance tires. Touring tires equals comfort and long life. Performance tires equals sharper handling and speed. Choose comfort for cruising, grip for excitement. Number 5. All-terrain tires. For those who drive on both road and dirt, strong sidewalls, rugged tread, and serious durability. Number 6. Mud terrain tires. Huge tread blocks, self-cleaning design, unstoppable off-road, but loud and rough on pavement. Number 7. Run flat tires. Even flat, they keep rolling up to 50 miles. Safety first, though pricier and stiffer. Quick recap. All season, everyday use. Winter, snow, ice. Summer, performance, grip and speed. Touring, comfort. All-terrain, mixed roads. Mud terrain, off-road only. Run flat, emergency safety. Now you know the types. Next, learn how to choose the right one for you. Subscribe for more car tech and engineering insights.